Hi guys, I'm Ira and today I'm going to be showing you how to download or install Notepad++. I'm sorry for the lighting, it's kind of horrible, and also I messed up some words in the video. I hope you understand. Just look at what I'm clicking and ignore what I'm saying. Just kidding, not really. You could listen to what I'm saying, but sometimes, like for example, I'm clicking run, but it actually says finish. Just bear with me, I'm sorry. So as you can see, I am here in this link here where you can download Notepad++, and I just went ahead and clicked download and wait for it to install. And I will just put the link down below so you can download it as well. And after a few seconds, it finished downloading and I clicked the folder and this thing right here popped up and I clicked run, and you just wait for it. Took a while. Then here you can select your language. I chose English and just click finish and terms and conditions and all these other stuff right here, and you could choose whether or not you want to create shortcut on desktop, etc, etc. And I click check mark on all of it and I went ahead and clicked next, and there it's downloaded, and there just click run, and there we have Notepad++. Now here we are back in the home screen, and just so you know, I'm looking for Notepad++, and yes, we're back at what we first saw when we installed Notepad++, and as you can see, we could just remove the new one, and remove the old one and add a new one, and there we have Notepad++, and just click enter to go to the new line, and yep, that's the old one, and there we have it. That's Notepad++. Okay, I guess that's it for today's video, and I hope you guys enjoy. Not really enjoyable, but still, I hope you guys understood the video and actually learned to install or download it. And bye bye.